Good morning, students. Welcome to Daffodils PU College. Today, we are discussing about linear programming problems. Already, we completed 12.1 exercise. In that exercise, to find the objective function z maximize value or minimum value when given constraints, that is inequalities with variables x and y. So these now we are going to discussing about real life problems, means linear programming problems, how to useful in our real life. For example, manufacturing problems. So manufacturing problems are always how to get maximum profit when they will give good quality product. So in these problems we determine the number of units of different products which should be produced and sold by a firm when each product requires a fixed manpower, machine hours, labor hour per unit of product in order to make maximum profit. So manufacturing problems always they are thinking how to get maximum profit. So by using linear programming problems we can easily identify how to will get maximum profit or a good product to produce. Next, diet problems. In these problems we determine the amount of different kinds of constituents or nutrients which should be included in a diet so as to minimize the cost of the desired diet such that it contains in a certain minimum amount of each nutrients. So in diet problems with the minimum cost we'll get a food to get how many nutrients will receive. So that concept in these problems. Next, transportation problems. In these problems we determine a transportation schedule in order to find the cheapest way of transporting product from plants or factories situated at different locations to different markets. So these are called transportation problems. Allocation problems. In these problems, farmers to make the crops in their fields and using means that is liquid herbicides to control weeds and to get maximum profit. So these are the real life problems. So we'll go to exercise and solve the problems. Okay, so 12.2 exercise, first problem. Reshma wishes to mix two types of food P and Q in such a way that the vitamin contains of the mixture contain at least 8 units. This is 8 units, at least 8 units. Eight units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B. Okay, food P costs 60 rupees per kg and food Q cost 80 rupees per kg. food P contains 3 units of vitamin A, 5 units of vitamin B, while food P contains 4 units of vitamin A and 2 units per kg of vitamin B. Determine the minimum cost of the mixture. So, understand students, first of all, this is the 8 units. Total vitamin A at least 8 units and 11 units vitamin B. Okay. Food P cost 60 rupees per kg and food Q cost 80 rupees per kg. Okay. Here in the table, first of all, food P let it be X and food Q let it be Y. So let the mixture contains X kg of food P and Y kg of food Q. So form the table. First of all, resource. First of all, first column, write resource. What are the resources? So resources means in the food we have resources vitamin A and vitamin B, right? And second column, total food, P type food and Q type food, X, Y. Requirements already given. So food P contains at least 8 units. So here we mentioned require vitamin A, and next at least 11 units vitamin B. Those are the available requirements. And food P cost 60 rupees per kg and 80 rupees per kg food Q. So this is the objective function. Cost per rupees is treated as objective function. Z is equal to 60x plus 80y, and constraints, make constraints 3x plus 4y. At least word is there. At least word is there means that greater than or equal to. This is very important in the problem. At least means greater than or equal to, at most means less than or equal to. Very important, this one, right? So at least 8 units means this one greater than or equal to, and at least B vitamin greater than or equal to 11. So this is very important for making constraints. Okay students, everybody understand? First of all, understand the question. Okay, first of all, Reshma wishes to mix 2 types of foods, so P and Q. Next, in such a way that the vitamin contents of the mixture contain at least 8 vitamin. Total mixture contain 8 vitamins and 11 units vitamin B, right? Next, P food contain 3 kg vitamin A and 5 kg vitamin B. So this also right, very important. Next, Q food contains vitamin A 4 units per case and 2 units per case. So this is the main important points. Making constraints: 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 8 and 5x plus 2y greater than or equal to 11. And clearly this is so very important. X greater than or equal to y greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 means non-negative variables. Those are non-negative, right? Okay. Objective function z is equal to 60x plus 8y subject to the constraints 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 8, 5x plus 2y greater than or equal to 11. Okay, and remaining process is same as first exercise model for 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 8. Step 1, 3x plus 4y is equal to 8 take. In that, put y is equal to 0. Then 3x plus 0 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 3. So then the point on x-axis a 8 by 3 comma 0, that is 2.66 comma 0. So this is a rational number on plot on the graph paper 2.66 comma 0 take, but to substitute in corner points 8 by 3 comma 0 better take, that is. And next put x is equal to 0, then y value is equal to 2 and the point is 0 comma 2, right? And next this also important, this one. Step 2, draw the line AB. Next step, take 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 8. In this, put x is equal to y is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 8. It is false. So solution away from the origin. Next, for 5x plus 2y greater than or equal to 11. In this also, step 1, take 5x plus 2y is equal to 11. Put y is equal to 0. X is equal to 11 by 5. That C point 11 by 5 comma 0. Therefore, plotting the point on graph paper 2.2 comma 0. Right? Next, put x is equal to 0. We'll get y value 11 by 2. Point D 0 comma 11 by 2. In step 2, draw the line CD. Next, step 3, put x is equal to y is equal to 0. It is false. So solution away from the origin. Okay, right. Next, draw the graph like this. First of all, draw the graph AB. This is the 3x. This line is the 3x plus 4y is equal to 8, and this line is equal to 5x plus 2y is equal to 11. Both graphs away from the origin. So here blue line graphs are the 3x plus 4y is equal to 8, and brown color lines are the 5x plus 2y is equal to 11. Though common region is here A point, and this is 8 by 3 comma 0, and next this point of intersection, that is E 2 comma 1 by 2, and next this one D point 0 comma 11 by 2. So this is the corner points of the feasible region. A 8 by 3 comma 0, E 2 comma 1 by 2, D 0 comma 11 by 2. So this is the feasible region. This common region, whole common region. So this is the feasible region. Okay. Table corner points and corresponding z value 60x plus 80y. At corner point 8 by 3 comma 0, the corresponding value is equal to 160. And next, at corner point E 2 comma 1 by 2 is equal to corresponding z value 160. At corner point D 0 comma 11 by 2, the corresponding value of z is equal to 440. Here asking minimum cost. So therefore this is the corner points of feasible region are A 8 by 3 comma 0, E 2 comma 1 by 2, D 0 comma 11 by 2. So we got answer minimum cost at 2 points. Is equal to 160, that is nothing but 160 rupees. So once you observe the graph at 2 comma 1 by 2 and A, so this one is the A 8 by 3 comma 0, and E 2 comma 1 by 2. In these 2 points we got answer 160. So more than 2 points also possible, more than 2 points also same answer. So on the same line segment. Okay students, look here, the minimum cost of the mixture will be 160 rupees at all points lie on the segment joining 8 by 3 comma 0 and 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay, so on the line joining the points A and E, all points, that means more than 2 points will get minimum cost same answer 160 rupees. So this question is weightage is 6 marks. Okay students, like this we'll try next problem. We'll continue the remaining problems in next class. Thank you.